Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to enable and set up fingerprint recognition on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you'll need to go into the settings icon. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the security and privacy option. Here then, you'll scroll down to the biometrics option, and now you'll click on the first option. Actually, not the first, the second option. We're going to click here, then tap continue and continue again. If you haven't set up a password on your phone yet, you'll need to set one up now. So I'm going to choose the pattern password. We have to enter our password. If you make a mistake, just click this button and you can re-enter your password. Enter your password, click continue, repeat your password, and then click the confirm button. After that, now we'll place our finger on the right side power button to turn the phone on and off. We put our finger on, lift it off, put it back on, and lift it off again. You should keep changing the position of your finger and repeat the same position a few times to make sure your fingerprint is read correctly, okay? All done. We finished setting up the fingerprint on your Galaxy A16. We click this button. Here you can exit, and now you'll lock your phone. To unlock it, you can use the password you set up, or you can also use your fingerprint by placing your finger where you registered it, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.